Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures in Fat Finds, and we have got a late night unboxing. And let me grab my other boxes, the shoes. Hey, I'm Steph's Adventures in Fat Finds, and I do an unboxing from time to time. And this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. And I'll be right back. I'm going to grab my other pair of shoes that I want to compare with these. I'll be right back. And we are outside this evening because it is a beautiful evening. And there are people asleep in the house, and I don't want to disturb them. And the sound quality is so much better here, and I can get a little bit better face-to-face with you being here. And I'm going to get on this side to unbox for you. And I believe these are some sneakers from Adidas, and these I had previously unboxed are the red OGs, and so we'll see what size is going to work out for me. And these, yes, are the size 6. In the Stan Smith Adidas, white with a black trim. So I'm excited to try these. Leather's really smooth on these. It has Stan Smith in gold on the side. And it feels like a really good quality shoe. So I'm excited about these. We'll put these over to the side. They're not the ones I wanted to look at yet. The ones that I wanted to look at are the, well, they didn't come yet. So, these are, oh, and they did, okay. These are the pink, something, and I'll list the description for these in description box below. These are superstars, and I'll be excited to try these on. I think these are super cute too. So, and of course that rubber toe. So we'll try those here in just a minute. And I don't know why Adidas are so popular right now, but they are. And they are selling out left and right. And then right and left. And let's see what else we got here. And I think these are the Adidas Samba's OGs in the red. And I'm going to see how they compared. Yeah, in the 6.5. I believe in the kids. compared to the one in the adults. It's not really much difference in the packaging. Huh. Okay, I really don't see. So I'm gonna really have to keep these separate. Okay. These are the ones that I've already opened, and these have not. And I believe, see, one's supposed to be adults and one's supposed to be children's, and they're both in the 6.5. So I really wanted to see, in comparison, what the difference is, particularly for the price. None whatsoever. None that I see at all. I mean, y'all, there's absolutely no difference. So I'm not even going to try these on for you, because, I mean, they're just absolutely no difference at all. I mean, they're identical. So that was really exciting. I know. So, see the tag there. But yeah. And then these have definitely already been tried on. Wow. Okay. That was really exciting. And I'm really not surprised. But yeah, there's no difference in the adults and the children's. So there you have it, folks. That's the children's, and these are the adults. These are $80 for the children's and $110 for on sale for the adults. So give you a shot of those. Even though the children's box is actually longer than the adults or something. Anyway, same shoe. Okay. Now let's try the Adidas. Pink shoe. And let's see how that works out. And I am so sorry that my energy level is gone for the day. You know? But it's not. And the pink ones are dark. God, I hate they run so big. Okay. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to lace up to the top. There again, I could have gone a half a size down, maybe, but Adidas just either run too big or too small on me. But I have to tell you that these that I have on, even though they make my feet look longer to me because they're bigger than most of the shoes I wear, my toes are happy, my feet are very happy. So I do like the pink ones and white. It makes it look like rubber, makes it look like it has cap toe. And it's a light pink with a darker pink touch to it. So I'm happy with these. I might have to wear socks with them, but I'm happy with them. Okay. So yay, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. And let's see what else. I've not ordered anything luxury in a hot minute because I'm saving my coins, and I'm telling you that flight mode collection killed me. It took a lot of discipline, And I am enjoying the pieces that I've already gotten from my luxury collection. And now I'm just getting ready for some summer fun. And that's not to say I'm not going to rev it back up. But just not right now. So, okay, so there's a picture of Stan Smith on my shoes, I guess. Okay, for real. And, oh yeah, they fit like a glove. I'm sorry, I gotta lace that my shoe over that Stan Smith guy. I appreciate his shoes, but I appreciate his artistry in sports, but not on the tongue of my shoe. Okay, yeah, much better. I got the 6 in the Stan Smith, and I actually could have got a 5.5. If that's possible. Because they are still a little big. Imagine that. But yeah, they work out really good. See the black on the back and gold Stan Smith there. So yeah. That'll work, people. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you have ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And please know you are worth everything that you've ever desired. God bless you. See you on the next one.